Welcome. Today I am with Apple AirTag and the iPhone, and I will show you how we can link this to device. So how we can pair AirTag to your iPhone to define my application. So let's start. At the first we have to go for the settings. We have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network. So let's make it. I'm going to connect for this one. Of course you can also use the mobile data. We have to enable Bluetooth. As you can see, it is. Next, we have to go for the privacy and also enable location, so find location services and tap on this feature. Right now we are connected. Next, we have to go for find my application. It will be right here. Now, to connect, you have to go for the items and click to add item. Click to add AirTag. You have to keep close your AirTag to the iPhone. As you can see there, we get a notification that pops on the screen. So we have to simply tap to connect, and here we can name our AirTag. For example, we are going to make it as headphones. So click continue. There we get our number and our email address. Click OK. We are going to register this AirTag to our Apple ID and the phone number. Now just be patient and wait a little bit. And as you can see right now it's set up, so all we have to do is simply tap on done. And as you can see, there we got the exact location of our AirTag. And basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.